Hi, I'd like just to do a little instruction on how to use your calculator because some of us are struggling with that. So this is the expression. I asked you in the video today to pause your video and try to enter this. And I think where some people are going wrong is right here where the exponent, when you enter the exponent of 10, because remember, your calculator is just stupid. It's only going to do exactly what you tell it to. It won't think for you, even though we'd really kind of like it to sometime. So let's kind of go through how I would enter this in my calculator. And I've got to tell you, I've tried this once and it's kind of hard to do backwards. So bear with me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure my calculator is on and cleared. All right. So the first thing I have to do is I have to enter my parenthesis, which is right here. And then I'm going to enter 5,000. Okay, I want to get it so that it doesn't reflect. So I have to hold it like, dang it. Okay, there we go. 5,000, 5,000. And then I'm going to multiply that times 1 plus 0.05. Now, I can hit the multiplication key, but I don't really need to because in math, if you cram a number up next to a parenthesis, that implies multiplication. So I'm just going to put another parenthesis there saying, hey, we're going to multiply here. And now I'm going to put 1 plus 505. And then I'm going to end that parenthesis. So at this point, yours should look like mine. Now, I want to raise this expression 1 plus 0.05 to the 10th power. So to do that, I use the caret key, and the caret key is right here. So I'm going to click that caret key. Now notice when I do that, look at the cursor really carefully. Notice how it's up high. It's in the exponent up there now. And so I can enter my 10. And it enters an exponent of 10. Now notice though that my cursor is still up there in the exponent, which you're like, well, I'm done with that. Why isn't it going back down to the numbers to enter a regular number? Well, you're going to like this in algebra too, because sometimes we enter expressions in the exponent instead of just a number. But in this particular problem, we don't. We just want to enter the 10. So I've got to tell the calculator, because again, it's just stupid. I got to tell it, hey, you got to get out of the exponent. And here's how you do that. You're going to use this wheel right here. This is the cursor movement, and you're going to click this side of it over here. I'm going to click that, and notice when I do this, my cursor moves to the number field again, out of the exponent to the number field. I have to do that before I enter my end parentheses, or it will put that end parentheses in the exponent. And then the calculator is all confused because it's saying, well, wait, how do I have an end parentheses in the exponent when I don't have a start parentheses? So you have to do that before you go forward. Now I'm going to hit times and another parentheses, and I'm going to hit 1 plus 0.07 end parentheses, and yours should look like this now. And then I'm going to raise this whole thing to the 5th power. So I'm going to again use my cursor key, which is right here, and say, I want to enter power of 5. Now, at this point, you could just hit enter, or again, you can get out of the exponent key. And then when I hit enter, I'm going to get the same number that I got in the video. I hope that was helpful for you.